Hi, it's Justin with MarineMax, Pompano Beach. I'm going to show you a brand new Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard. Got this beautiful brand new for 2020 color. It's called Quantum Blue. Let's step aboard and I'll show you some of the features. Boat's equipped with twin 250 Mercury Verados. We also got a nice feature here that I want to show you. It's a fold-out swim step, so when you're hanging out at the water, you can easily swim up, get in and out of the boat. Motors are in white. Let's climb aboard. Show you what she's got. I love this color combination. It's this new stone up against the blue hull. It looks gorgeous. We got this with the lounge chair option, so now you got two loungers, storage here, put your drinks right here in the cup holders, storage, you can put your phones there, and these do slide back so you can slide them down, and then when you're running, if you want a view, these do fold down so you get a clear sight stern. Coming in, got that snap-in sea deck flooring, large L-shaped seats, cup holders, grab handles everywhere you need them. Sea Ray did a great job designing this boat. Very functional. Got a 12-volt refrigerator right there. This boat is also equipped with a barbecue grill that runs off an inverter, and also a freshwater hand basin right there. Also has an upgraded 12-inch Simrad display. GPS, fish finder, chart plotter, engine data, everything. Nice, simple, easy to read gauges and dash. And on the port side here is our head. Vacuum flush toilet, holding tank, dockside pump out. Then working forward, look at how expansive and massive this seating is in the bow. And of course, we have our anchor windlass, as well as a shower here so you can rinse off the anchor when you pull it back up. Again, it's a 2020 Sea Ray 290 SDX outboard, MarineMax, Pompano Beach. Give me a call, 954-633-2070.